if you want to experiment with this, but you might have seen that already this very basic way of doing it can, do us very well. Okay. The question in the pre-webinar meeting was already, what is this rhythm we walk? And it's a part of the hexameter rhythm, which has a lot to do with just like walking a hill downwards and arriving, coming to rest, really relax. And this system has a lot to do with this. I come to rest in order to become able to open my eyes, my inner eyes. For this reason, I need this rest. And when we then do the arm movements, the different arm movements, they are in a way, it's the music which can unfold on this basic rhythm. Yeah? And it also is a little bit the way that this nervous system down here is a slow system. It's a walking rhythm. It's not like the head system, quick, 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 quick. So we have in mind that with this simple way of moving, we say hello to everything which says, yes, I'm absolutely awake. Nothing escapes my attention, but I work out of quiet. Let's start with this major step. A straight step forward, right a little bit to the side. Hips, collarbones, the joy of the collarbones which want to fly, flows into the lower arms. The upper arms support. The lower arms say yes. The hands, the fingers, the fingertips, and we arrive. And we just let it stream down. Slowly, attentively. The whole body senses it. We do the steps forward, long, short, short, and the hands help a little bit. Long, short, short, long, and long. Also this one goes forward. And then we close the legs and we allow us to arrive. Same backwards. And the feeling leads the legs just follow. I open up, the leg follows, long, and then I arrive, short, short. Again, I open up, the leg follows, long, short, short. I open up, long, I open up, long. Remember this Venus quality when we open up the arms, and just recall that there are two more arms really connecting down to the earth as we had in the Venus gesture. And everything of this connectedness with the depths lifts in the lower arms when you do this moving in and moving out. This perceiving if everything is well, and when needed, we heal. Coming in, comforting and caressing. And now try to do the steps and the quality as you did before. The legs follow, open up, long, short, short. And first open up, long, short, short. The feeling goes first, long, the leg follows, long, and arrive. You can do it one more time backwards, one more time forwards if you want to. I continue now with the next part, where we have arrived at the heart. The heart flows into the upper arms, goes back into what's living behind us, brings it along and offers it to the world. But we stay in the upper arms and the hands show what lives in our upper arms. And we let go and return to the heart, from where we go again into the upper arms. Ask, what can we find there? What wants to come with us? The upper arms bring it forward into the world. The hands show it, but we are still staying in the upper arms. And then we return, and each time it's a little bit higher, we return back. The heart is actually bringing it along, but the upper arms are doing it. We show it in the hands, what the upper arms brought, have gathered. Just go as high as feels good for you. And even if the arms stretch more, we still stay in the sphere of the upper arms. And maybe a last time, feel the upper arms, feel into the space behind, bring it along. What wants to be brought along. And show it in the hands. And we feel ourselves standing in a triangle of light. We feel our feet. And we let go, return to our heart. And do the weaving with the lower arms again. And first we start to weave with the arms until we feel the connectedness to the depth Venus has encountered for us. And then we add the steps and try not to disturb the mood in the arms. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. It's really a step again. And return to your heart. Again, you could do it one more time forwards and backwards, because that's the basic mood of this nervous system which we want to address. And then we bring this quint movements, and we start down here and we create a sort of sunset. Things have to grow, and a sunrise and a sunset. Things have to diminish. And again, a little bit higher, we create a sunrise and a sunset. Or similar impressions, whatever you feel, try to discover how is it in my case. Turning out. And slowly turning the other side around. The hands turn and the body experiences. And the hands turn. And the body experiences. And again, I stay in a triangle of light. And you choose which way your hands show. You let go. You arrive at your heart. You pour this consciousness of your heart into your shoulder girdle. You feel the whole shoulder girdle and allow yourself the thought, the roof is carrying the house. Straight step with the left foot. Small step to the right. feet, collarbones, joy, lower arms, upper arms, lower arms, hands, fingers, fingertips. Arrive. Close your feet, and now the left arm stays up there. And only the right arm feels the streaming down and goes along with it. But the left arm feels the streaming down at least as much and follows it. Just tries not to follow too much until the other one, which went through the earth, comes to support it. And now I'll allow in your left arm to still feel the streaming down. And this being supported from below, but feel the streaming down. And then let go the lower arm. And maybe you notice how much effort it is to bring this arm in to your heart. Relax and let go. So this arm, we do not really bring it down like the other one. We really try to keep it up, but just notice this constantly pouring down in this lower arm, which slowly takes it up, but slowly really drinks it. One last time, left forward to the right. Collarbones, lower arms, upper arms, lower arms, hands, fingers, fingertips. Arrive. Close your leg, right leg comes back. And then slowly, slowly come down. Feel the streaming downwards. And now when you feel the streaming downwards in your left arm, maybe you can look how does it reflect itself in your legs. Do not stretch your arm up. It's constantly a streaming downwards what you perceive. How do your legs react? And then how does it reflect itself in your cheeks? And then let go and notice what's around my left arm now. And bring this along to your heart and protect it for a while. Breathe, sit down and relax. How do your perceptions shift now? What comes forward? What takes over? Is everything static or are things changing? When you have noticed lots of life at a certain point beforehand, just half a minute ago, how is it there now? How to experience the part behind your neck, where your skull, the back of your skull starts. What do you feel around your face, around your nose? Despite of everything which is going on, is there a certain level of quietness or contentness or stillness observable, which might have the capacity to grow? If you ask for your vitality and ask the question, hello my dear vitality, how are you doing? What's the answer?